Hello everyone, good evening. Hi. Good evening. Hi. I'm doing good, Mr. Rajesh. Hope you're doing well. जस्ट थोड़ी देर में हम स्टार्ट करने वाले हैं. I'm just waiting कि और लोग ज्वाइन करें. Yes, Mr. Kesar, we are going to be talking about it today in this live session. Yes, I'm doing good. Hope you all are safe. बस 2 मिनट में हम स्टार्ट करने वाले हैं. जस्ट वेटिंग कि थोड़ी और लोग ज्वाइन कर ले. जस्ट 2 मिनट्स. हेलो, आई एम गुड. गुड इवनिंग. Yes, we are going to get into today's topic very soon. We are going to talk about our course. We are going to talk about how we are going to learn English. कैसे हम English हमारी भाषा में हम English कैसे हिंदी में सीख सकते हैं, वो हमने पहले लाइव में ऑलरेडी मैंने बात कर ली है. मैं एक थोड़ा सा एक रिकैप करने वाली हूँ और थोड़ी लोग ज्वाइन हो जाए और हम स्टार्ट करते हैं. Good evening. Thank you so much. ओके, तो हम एक छोटा सा मैं एक रिकैप करने वाली हूँ कि हमने पिछले लाइव सेशन में मैंने आपसे क्या बात की. बहुत सारे कमेंट्स, बहुत सारे इंक्वायरीज और मैसेजेस हमें बहुत ढेर सारे मिले हैं. एंड बहुत लोगों ने पूछा है कोर्स के बारे में. अप्लाई मतलब एनरोल कैसे करते हैं, कोर्स में क्या क्या सीखने को मिलेगा, और बहुत सारे मैसेजेस आए हैं. तो आज हमने डिसाइड किया है कि हम एक लाइव सेशन करेंगे और आपके जो भी डाउट्स है आज हम क्लियर करने वाले हैं. और बेसिकली बहुत कॉमन क्वेश्चंस और इम्पॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस मिले हैं और हम सभी लोग क्या सभी का जवाब देंगे. तो प्लीज़ स्टे ट्यून्ड. और आज यही प्रश्नों के जवाब देने के लिए हमारे पास एक नया गेस्ट है। तो हमारे सीनियर मोस्ट पार्टनर विनोय।
Hi everyone, hope you're all doing good. So, welcome to English Partner Family, right, Rishik?
Yes, hello, welcome.
Okay, so how are you all doing? Like, I can see a lot of comments out there. Sems Kirati, hi. Let's start. Yes, of course, Rakesh, let's start. It's time to start. So, what is the question? Like, what are we going to speak about today?
तो हमें ढेर सारे क्वेश्चंस मिले हैं। पहले तो क्या है इंग्लिश पार्टनर, व्हाट इज़ इंग्लिश पार्टनर। तो हम थोड़ी देर में हम सब कोर्स के डिटेल्स के बारे में जानेंगे, पर उससे पहले हम इंग्लिश क्यों ज़रूरी है, इंग्लिश सीखना या जानना क्यों ज़रूरी है, ये हमें बताएंगे विनोय।
Okay, so पहली बात ये है कि like we are very happy that we are getting a lot of comments.
Yes.
And बात ये है कि like आप लोग जानना चाहते हैं इंग्लिश पार्टनर के बारे में, and that's why you're all here in this live session, and we are getting a lot of comments too. Can I talk to you in English, ma'am? Yes, of course. That is what we do. That's what we provide an English partner. And that question was by Raju. Yes. So हमको ऐसे बहुत सारे क्वेश्चंस मिलते हैं, जैसे कि लाइक इंग्लिश पार्टनर में आप लोग क्या करते हैं, लाइक ट्रेनर्स क्या करते हैं, लाइक व्हाट इज स्पेशल अबाउट इंग्लिश पार्टनर एंड ऑल. सो दैट्स ऑल व्हाट वी आर गोना डिस्कस टुडे. सो उससे पहले आई थिंक फ्यू डेज बैक वी वर गेटिंग अ लॉट ऑफ कमेंट्स की मतलब मुझे हिंदी आता है, सो व्हाई शुड आई know English, like why should I learn English? The thing is, it's not a compulsion to learn English, right?
हाँ.
Like being in a country like India, it's not a compulsion to learn English, but बात ये है कि अगर if you want to take your life to a next stage, to different standard, then it is very necessary to know the basics. I won't say that you should be very good in English, but it depends on your need, on your requirement, right?
Yeah,
जैसे कि आप अगर आप एक ऑफिस में काम करते हो, like if it's a white collar job, if it's a managerial post, and there you should be very good with your English language. But on the other end, if you're just a person like who's working, who's a cab driver, तो then it's not that necessary, right? So वहाँ पे आपको basics जानना ज़रूरी है.
यस, एब्सोल्युटली। तो जैसे कि बिनोय ने कहा है कि इंग्लिश सीखना एकदम मतलब ज़रूरी नहीं होता, पर जानने में आपको बहुत खुशी मतलब आपको खुशी सा होता है कि अगर मैंने ये लैंग्वेज सीखा तो अरे मुझे इंग्लिश भी आता है, मुझे ये भी आता है। अगर वही इंग्लिश अगर आप हिंदी के ज़रिए भी अगर आप सीखो तो उससे बेटर क्या हो सकता है?
Exactly. The thing is like बहुत सारा reasons है because why? Because you should be good in English language, or you should at least know the basics of English language. Let's take the case of a student, right? अगर आप अभी schooling कर रहे हो, so if you want to get into a good college, then you should be good in English because that is one of the key factor by which they will be judging you. Suppose you're already done with your graduation, what is the next step? Next step ये है कि मतलब मुझे एक बहुत अच्छे से job चाहिए, and आजकल अगर जॉब अच्छी चाहिए, इट्स नॉट इम्पॉर्टेंट कि आपका CGPA क्या है और इतना परसेंटेज मार्क्स मिला है मुझे. नो, इट डजंट मेक, it's not a big deal actually. The most important factor is that how good are you in your communication skill. Like आप लोग को पता है like अगर आपने एक इंटरव्यू अटेंड किया है तो आपको पता है like more than the technical questions, they ask a lot of questions which are like very simple, right? Which is more of like related to your day-to-day life. And why do they ask such kind of questions? Like आपने सोचा like they're not asking me about mechanical engineering, or they're not asking me about mathematics, which is my core subject, but they ask me about where do you see yourself in the next 5 years. Such kind of questions. It is because they want to know how good you are able to communicate, right? Suppose there is an idea in your mind. If you want to convey that idea to another person or your team or your company, you should be good with your communication skills. That is the only way you can communicate it, right?
Correct.
So that is why if you want to get a good job, you should be good with English language. And there might be people who might ask, okay, like I'm a cab driver, so why should I learn English? So why should a cab driver learn English?
I mean, so it's not necessary that a cab driver, of course he will feel like 10 times much happier. It is learning English is not necessary, like we are saying, it's an interest. जब आपको वो इंटरेस्ट और वो एक्साइटमेंट होता है एक नए लैंग्वेज को सीखना, तो कोई भी आप कोई भी एज कैटेगरी में बिलोंग करते हो आप सीख सकते हो। एंड जैसे कि मिस्टर महफूज कुछ और यूनिक और स्मार्ट वे होगा तो सब अट्रैक्ट होंगे। सो यही आज हम बात करने वाले हैं कि ये कोई नॉर्मल सा कोर्स नहीं है जहाँ पर आप जस्ट इंग्लिश ऐसे ग्रुप में सीख के और आप चले जाएंगे, ऐसा नहीं है। हमारा कोर्स बहुत हटके और एग्जैक्टली बहुत यूनिक है। तो इसी लाइव सेशन में हम आपको बताने वाले हैं कि हमारे कोर्स में क्या क्या लेवल्स हैं, हम क्या क्या और कैसे सिखाते हैं।
ओके, तो यहाँ पे बहुत लोग बोल रहे हैं शहीम है सेम कि मुझे भी सीखनी है या ऑफ कोर्स। सो अगर आपको ये चीज़ है कि मन में मतलब मुझे इंग्लिश सीखना है या सीखनी है, तो what do? हम बेसिकली ये करते हैं कि वी जस्ट गो टू एन इंस्टीट्यूट, राइट? वी जस्ट गो टू एन इंग्लिश कोचिंग सेंटर और स्पोकन इंग्लिश ट्रेनिंग सेंटर एंड वी जॉइन देयर। दैट्स व्हाट वी बेसिकली डू। बट आई वुड लाइक टू आस्क यू समथिंग। अगर आप एक इंस्टीट्यूट पे जाके ज्वाइन कर रहे हो, वहाँ पे एक ई क्लास पे देयर बी लाइक 50 लोग होंगे या 40 लोग होंगे और उनके बीच में बैठ के आपको सीखना पड़ेगा, राइट? सो वहाँ पे हर एक का करंट लेवल ऑफ इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज प्रोफिशिएंसी डिफरेंट होगा, अलग अलग होगा, राइट? एंड अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट ग्रास्पिंग पावर जो है, लाइक मेरा ग्रास्पिंग पावर अलग है एंड शी माइट बी हैविंग अ डिफरेंट ग्रास्पिंग पावर। सो प्रदीप इज रिप्लाइंग, श्याम यादव, प्रहलाद, you all of you might be having a different level of grasping power, right? So then do you think the result will be very good if you're learning in a class of 40 people or 50 people and you are taught in the same way? All of you are taught in the same way, right? If you're sitting in a class and there are 50 people, you're being taught by a single tutor, and that's like the same way. So do you think the result will be same? No, right? And that is where like Mahfouz ne kaha, like we came up with this very interesting concept in English Partner where we teach you by coming up with a solution for all these problems which you face while learning English language. So the first thing is, जैसे मैंने बोला, like अगर आप एक इंस्टीट्यूट पे जा रहे हो सीखने के लिए, so there you will have to learn with a lot of students. You won't get personal attention. That is the first thing what we do here. We provide them a
We give you a full 24 hours support personal trainer जो आपके साथ हमेशा, आपके पास कोई भी डाउट हो, अगर आप कहीं पे भी स्टक हो, मुझे ये नहीं आ रहा है, या कहीं पे भी आपको लग रहा है कि ये बहुत मुश्किल सा लग रहा है, आपके पास हमेशा एक साथी होगा 24 आवर्स सपोर्ट के साथ। ये आपको बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग है। जहाँ जैसे बिनॉय ने कहा कि इंस्टीट्यूट में बहुत सारे लोग होते हैं, कई कबार आपको वो अटेंशन नहीं मिलता या आपको वो इंटरेस्ट भी है कि मुझे ये सीखना है, पर बहुत लोगों के साथ आप नहीं सीख पा रहे हो। तो यहीं पे आपको पर्सनल ट्रेनर्स दिए जाएंगे जो आपके साथ हमेशा रहेंगे।
Yes, 24/7. When we say 24/7, we really mean it, right?
Yeah.
और एक और प्रॉब्लम है, like suppose we are going to an institute और वहाँ पे like how do we learn a language? We have to speak, right? But we won't be confident, और ये like शर्म भी हो सकता है बहुत लोग कि मतलब what if I say something wrong in front of others, and also if you're in a group you might not be that confident to speak out, right? So here the best thing is like you're provided with a personal trainer, an individual trainer who will be there with you, who will be training you throughout the period of course. So the thing is like you don't have to be embarrassed. The best part is like you don't have to think like कोई और सुनेंगे, like वो क्या सोचेंगे, ये क्या सोचेंगे and all, because the thing is there'll be one person and he or she is gonna be a trainer, so you can just speak very confidently and you can improve your language.
Exactly.
So these are two key factors of English Partner, and apart from that we are having a lot of positive points which we are gonna discuss now. So yes.
So hi Samuel Islam, thank you so much. He's saying he's a student of English Partner and he's very happy with our course. And Mr. Rajesh, like you said, I can write English but I can't speak fluently. मुझे इंग्लिश लिखना आता है पर बोलने में आपको थोड़ी तकलीफ होती है, तो हाउ कैन आई इम्प्रूव माई स्पीकिंग? तो इसी के बारे में हम और डिटेल में जाने वाले हैं। हमारे कोर्स के डिटेल्स की आपको कितना हाउ कंफर्टेबल, आप कितने कंफर्टेबल हो इंग्लिश में बात करने में या लिखने में.
Okay, Rajesh, I would like to answer that question now itself because Rajesh is asking, I can write English, but I can't speak fluently,
Yeah.
right? So this, we actually thought of giving this point afterwards, but I think since Rajesh asked this, we should give a perfect answer to this. So this is more of like a unique factor, I would say. Problem ये है कि जैसे मैंने बोला, like when we make up our mind to learn English, we just go to an institute and join there. But after this pandemic segment and all started, like we also have a lot of online teaching platforms where they teach English. मतलब वहाँ पे भी join करने के बाद अगर 10-15 दिन के बाद, like we just leave it back.
Yeah.
What is the reason? The reason is because we find it very difficult. And why do we find it difficult? It is because they come up with a lot of grammar. That is the fear factor for all of us. Like पहले पूरा ग्रामर सीखना है, उसके बाद मैं बात कर पाएंगे. नो, इट्स नॉट लाइक दैट. लेट मी आस्क यू समथिंग. आप लोग हिंदी में बहुत अच्छे से बात करते हो. लाइक हिंदी का पूरा ग्रामर सीखने के बाद यू स्टार्टेड स्पीकिंग हिंदी? No, right? Like when you were a kid, you listen to your parents, you listen to your relatives or whoever, like, your friends, and you started speaking. And they corrected you when you were making mistakes. And now, okay, let me ask Rajesh, even now, are you sure that you know entire grammar of Hindi language? No, right? Even if you ask me, like, even I don't know. The thing is, but we speak Hindi very fluently, right? You might be speaking Hindi very fluently, but still you don't know the entire grammar. The same goes with English. English भी हिंदी की तरह एक language है. So it's not necessary that we learn the entire grammar first, all the rules and regulations, and after that I'll speak. No, it's not like that. You start speaking, practice the language, and then correct it. Don't focus on to grammar much, because there's a reason. Once you start focusing on grammar, all this past participle, past perfect, all these things, all these words comes into your mind, and you go like confused.
No.
So that's not necessary. It's like you learn it according to situations. That's what we do in English, partner. We don't teach you like this is the grammar, this is the rule. No. What we do is like we give you simple examples. We take examples from your day-to-day life, and वो examples के हिसाब से like we teach you, so that you'll connect it to it. So वो बहुत आसान रहेगा. I'll be like, we make you practice the language through a lot of activities. That's what we do. Like what all activities do we provide them?
So हम ढेर सारी एक्टिविटीज़ करते हैं और वो रेगुलर एक्टिविटीज़ जैसे नहीं है. तो वी डू स्पीकिंग एक्टिविटीज़. तो अगर एवरी डे बात करने में आप इंग्लिश कैसे बात कर सकते हो, वही डे टू डे कॉन्वर्जेशंस. ऐसे एवरी डे आप थोड़ी देर के लिए पर्सनल ट्रेनर्स के साथ बात कर सकते हो. उसके अलावा तो ये होता है कॉलिंग एक्टिविटी या स्पीकिंग एक्टिविटी. उसके अलावा लिसनिंग एक्टिविटी. तो जो भी हम बोलते हैं वो आप समझ के पूरा, आप अगर आपको डाउट्स हो, अगर आपको वही लिसनिंग, तो ये लिसनिंग एक्टिविटी बन जाता है. तो वहाँ पर भी अगर आपको कोई भी तकलीफ या प्रॉब्लम हो, आप देन एंड देयर यू कैन सॉल्व इट. और अगर आपको और भी थोड़ा और अटेंशन, यू वांट मोर अटेंशन, अगर आपको और भी प्रैक्टिस करना है, तो इसके अलावा भी आपको और टास्क्स दिए जाएंगे. तो एक्टिविटीज़ में जैम करके भी है, JAM, जस्ट अ मिनट, जहाँ पर आपको तो आपको कोई इंटरेस्टिंग सा टॉपिक या आप खुद सेलेक्ट कर सकते हो और उसके बारे में 1 मिनट तक आपको बात करना पड़ेगा. एंड प्लीज़, आपको एवरी डे अगर आपको एक पर्सनल ट्रेनर दे जाता है, तो वो इसलिए है कि आपको सिर्फ सिखाने के लिए नहीं है. आपको जो भी आपके पास अगर कॉन्फिडेंस लेवल थोड़ा कम है, आपको नहीं, थोड़ा हिचकिचाहट सा हो रहा है, तो वही कॉन्फिडेंस लेवल बढ़ाने के लिए और आपको मोटिवेट करने के लिए ये एक्टिविटीज़ हमेशा एवरी डे आपके साथ रहेंगे. तो ये एक्टिविटीज़ अगर आपको लग रहा है कि ओ दिस इज़ वेरी फन टू डू, ओ दिस इज़ समथिंग, पर ओ नो इंग्लिश में बात करना पड़ेगा, तो वही डर मिटाने के लिए आपको प्रैक्टिस दी जाएंगी. इमीडिएटली आपको ये करने नहीं देंगे. तो ऑफ कोर्स थोड़ा प्रैक्टिस पीरियड होगा. And
yes, we are having a lot of comments, a lot of messages. Prahlad from Rajasthan. Hi Prahlad. And we have Imtiaz, Rula. How are you? We are doing really good. And how are you, Rul? We have Raju. So Raju is asking, really, we can learn to speak English through English Partner? Of course, yes. Because as she told, what we're doing is like we're keeping the grammar factor, to the side, and what we're doing is we are concentrating on LSRW. Do you know what's LSRW?
Yeah.
It's listening, speaking, reading, and writing. So this is the key factor of all the languages. Like, let it be Hindi, let it be English, let it be German, let it be French. Once you're learning this language, you should focus on these 4 aspects. So that's what we do here. Like listening activities, जैसे उन्होंने बोला, listening activities है, reading activities है, writing activities है, and above all speaking activities है. So जहाँ पे आप लोग ट्रेनर के साथ, आपके पर्सनल ट्रेनर के साथ लैंग्वेज प्रैक्टिस कर सकते हैं हर दिन. सो दैट्स वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग. लाइक डेली प्रैक्टिस करके तो इम्प्रूव ही हो जाएंगे. और क्या. सो हियर वी हैव तनवीर.
We have a lot of our students who have joined in saying how happy they are with the course. We are so grateful and we are so lucky and happy to have you with us.
Again, we have this comment like Tapas
Okay.
is saying, I can write well, but I cannot speak well. Yeah, I'm afraid in front of public. Maybe he's afraid to speak in front of public, right? So that is the thing. That's what I told. Like here, what we do in English Partner is like we provide you an individual trainer. एक person जो आपके साथ होगा. And when I say trainer, you don't have to worry. It's not like the person will be more like a friend. एक दोस्त जैसे, लाइक जिसके साथ आप चैट कर सकते हो इंग्लिश में, फ़ोन करके बात कर सकते हैं. और लाइक द पर्सन विल करेक्ट ऑल आर मिस्टेक्स. लाइक हमको बहुत कन्फ्यूजन्स होगा इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज के बारे में, जैसे कि ग्रामर रिलेटेड होगा या सेंटेंस कंस्ट्रक्शन में जो भी कन्फ्यूजन्स है वो सब वो इंडिविजुअल ट्रेनर जो है, पर्सनल ट्रेनर जो, वो क्लियर करेंगे. सो एक दोस्त के तरह चैट करके, एक पार्टनर, यस, चैट करके, कॉल करके, लाइक दैट्स अ बेसिक थिंग. इफ यू हैव 30 minutes a day, you can speak for 30 minutes to a person in English. So there's no public, right? So that's just one person जिसके साथ आप इंग्लिश में बात कर सकते हो. एंड जो मिस्टेक्स तो होंगे ही, राइट? इट्स नॉट लाइक none of us are perfect. तो we will make mistakes. So what we should do is like be ready to make mistakes. The only thing is ready to accept when someone is correcting us. Make sure you don't make that mistake again, right?
Don't repeat it.
Yes.
Tanveer is asking how to speak fluently English over any topic. So it's not going to be very random. बहुत random नहीं होगा कि हम immediately आपको एक topic देंगे और आपको बात करना पड़ेगा. You will of course undergo a training. More like you will undergo a lot of things in a very simple way. It's going to be आपके day to day life में जैसा आप काम करते हो और whatever you're doing उसके हिसाब से आपको English सिखाया जाएगा. And it is not out of the blue. It's a very slow progress, or eventually you will definitely
and
get
it's
there.
not like we'll give you topics like which are very hard, like politics or something like that. We'll be giving you very interesting topics from your day to day life, something about which you already know.
ये बात बहुत अच्छी है, लेकिन आपकी कंडीशन के अकॉर्डिंग सिंपल वे में सीखना बेहतर होगा सबके लिए. Thank you so much, Mahfouz. That is very sweet of you. Hello, Aryan.
Aryan from Nepal. Okay, that's great to have you here. So we are
we didn't actually tell them that they can learn.
Yes. Aryan, you actually reminded us something very important. The thing is, see, one of the most key factor about English Partner, I would say one speciality of English Partner is that we told you that you can learn 24/7. Like there is no time constraint here. The thing is, anywhere in the world you are, suppose आप नेपाल में होंगे या like you might be in America. Where was that student from? Like last time you were saying me, right?
Yeah, Mexico.
Mexico, okay. So we even have students from Mexico. Like they might be students from India, like Hindi speaking native people. But the thing is, they want to learn English, and outside there, like in different countries, it might be very expensive. So that's why they come to us like an English Partner, because here the course is very, the rate is very less, the price is very less. I'll say about the price and everything, we'll discuss all that. So the thing is, anytime, like there'll be a time difference, right?
Yes.
When it's maybe when it's morning 9 o'clock here, that might not be the same out there. But the thing is, we are providing you personal trainer 24/7. So anytime when you are free, जब आप फ्री हो, लाइक काम के बाद या पढ़ाई करने के बाद, लाइक आफ्टर योर क्लास आवर्स, जब भी आपको टाइम मिल रही हो, लाइक यू कैन लर्न विथ योर पर्सनल ट्रेनर. दैट्स द बेस्ट थिंग. सो व्हेन वी से 24/7, इट इज लाइक 24/7. जो संडे हो जाए या public
Yeah,
holiday, it doesn't
literally.
really matter.
Yeah.
Because anytime when you think you want to learn English, I want to practice now, even if it is like, 3 a.m. in the morning, or even if it's like 12 in the, midnight,
Yeah.
your personal trainer will be there. So it's like 24/7. So Aryan, yeah, even if you're from Nepal, you can learn with English partner. That's a good news, right? So
Raju is saying absolutely right, sir. Not necessary to know English grammar to speak English.
exactly. So that's a big realization.
Yeah.
So that is what basically we also want to convey, because बहुत लोग ये सोच के like grammar के बारे में सोच के बहुत लोग they just leave it behind कि मतलब मुझसे नहीं होगा.
Yeah, they
No,
get
it's not
so
like
scared.
that. Yeah, they get so scared. Like, just think, do you know all the grammar of Hindi? I don't think it's not possible even, right? Like we might not have even thought about it. Like
Yeah.
Hindi grammar के बारे में, Hindi व्याकरण के बारे में, no, right? So the thing is, this is a very good realization. It's not necessary to know all the grammar. Basics are necessary because that's how we start the construction, right? So the very basic simple grammar, that's necessary. That's how we start teaching here. We teach you the basics in the basic level. We teach you the basic grammar which is required for you to construct a proper sentence. And उसके बाद we make you practice. So practice, 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 and practice makes a man perfect. So you can be perfect in speaking English. That's the best part. So Ankit is asking how much does it charge? Okay, yeah, very good question. I'll come to it, right? Like
Yeah,
maybe
I
after a while, like yeah. It's
Rashid.
really good and nice idea, Rashid. Yeah, thank you,
you.
Rashid. It's for you people, right? It's
Yeah.
not like we are developing an idea. It's for you people. It's like for anyone who want to learn English in a very easy way. The thing is, like, आप लोग maybe you are working as of now. So even if you're working after your work time, whenever you're free, like putting in 30 minutes or 1 hour a day, you can learn English very fast.
Rajiv is asking, how can I speak English like a pro in next
Next.
2 to 3 months?
Okay.
So before that, I think we'll just talk about how do you actually enroll the course? How do you start with, and what do we teach? What are the levels, basic levels of English partner?
Okay, yeah, maybe we could connect that to this question,
Yeah.
right? Maybe I think we can connect it to
Because I
Rajit's
think
question because it's
it's
almost
correct,
almost
yes.
it's gonna be the same. So the thing is, it's not. It depends on your current level of English language proficiency. It's not like you're not even having the basic level and you want to be a pro level fluent English language speaker. Being very frank, it is not possible in 2 to 3 months. Because let me ask you something like. Did you learn Hindi in 1 month or 2 months? No, right? It took years. So English is also a language, and we should be ready to give it time. But as I can see his sentence construction. How can I speak English like a pro in next 2 to 3 months? It's a pretty good sentence construction. So the thing is, I can already see that you already know the basics. So here, an English partner, I told you when we started, we were discussing that when we go to an institute, एक coaching center में वहाँ पे मतलब 50 लोग होंगे, सबको एक जैसे पढ़ाएंगे. What is different in English partner is that we don't teach everyone in the same way. So what we do is that, like, when you approach us, एक evaluation होता है, एक analysis कि आपका current level of English language क्या है. जैसे कि रजीब आप आ रहे हो like English partner में, like you are thinking, okay, I should start learning with English partner. So what we do is like we will make an analysis कि आपका current level of English proficiency क्या है, and उसके हिसाब से what we'll do is like you will be given some questions and there will be a trainer who will be doing the analysis part. So that person will be doing the analysis and they'll be suggesting you a course level. We basically have 3 levels of courses, so you can speak about it. Yeah.
Okay, so we have 3 level of courses. So the first one is going to be a basic level. तो अगर आपको basic, if you know how to, you know a little bit of English और आपको थोड़ा और, so this will be a mix of most of talking, speaking activities जैसे calling activities, speaking activities. अगर आपको English पता है पर बात करने में you don't have that confidence, तो वो आ जाता है basic
Yeah,
level.
basic is more of like people are just starting to learn English.
Yeah,
that's
pretty much.
basic. Yeah,
Like they
basic. You
want
know the
to-
word basic,
Yes.
right? So we're just starting. It's the base. So we're just starting to learn English, and that's called the basic level. So if you're just starting to learn English, you have some problems in the construction and all. So that's where the basic level comes. And then the next level is the intermediate level. The intermediate level is for people who know a bit of English language, but still they have a lot of confusions regarding the grammar, or like, जैसे बात करने में confidence नहीं है. Like someone told us already, like I'm scared to speak in front of public. Such kind of problem. So ऐसे वाले लोग को we have this intermediate level of course, and एक और लेवल है that which is the advanced level. जैसे कि अभी you asked me like how to be a pro level speaker. Yes, this is that level. This is the advanced level where you are good with English construction. We can already see that. But then you may not be so good in speaking. You may not be that fluent. So what happens there is like your knowledge over the vocabulary might be less, or such kind of things to polish your language, to give you more practice so that you improve your confidence and you reach a level where you can just speak. Anyone comes and asks you anything, you're ready to speak. So that is our advanced level of course, where once you complete that course, you will be like a pro level fluent English language speaker. Yes, so you can go for that as well. Abdullah, what's he saying?
मैं थोड़ा लेजी हो गया था, आप दोनों ने रिचार्ज कर दिया, so thank you so much.
That's good news.
So
like,
happy. Yes.
Yeah, like
Thank you so much, Abdullah.
That's a recharge for us as
Yes.
well, right? Okay.
Hi, I'm a student of English Partner, Yasir. It's a really good platform.
Yes.
Thank you
So these are like even
Yes.
feedbacks coming from a student. It's more of like a testimonial
Yeah,
things coming
so
from them.
many
Yeah,
of
that's
them.
great.
Geeta. And
Happy with English Partner. And thank you so much, Geeta. Geeta, thank you so much. We are happy that you are
Yes.
happy. Actually, yeah. Hi, sir.
Tehzeeb.
My name is Tehzeeb from Saudi Arabia. Not open the clubhouse in Saudi Arabia. What's the reason? Okay, so we are working on it. We will be opening the clubhouse very soon. Maybe like in 1 or 2 days, we'll be working on it. Don't worry. Hi, Imran.
Tanveer, how can we speak like
An American. Okay. Tanveer, let me ask you something. Why do you want to speak like an American? Tanveer, you should speak like Tanveer, right? we are Indians, and I think we should speak like us. The basic problem is we always think like we always compare ourselves. We always want to speak like Americans or British, the English speaking, the real English people. It's not the right way. The thing is, see, it might demotivate you. The thing is that there's something called accent, like accent training. It comes under the advanced level course for us, the accent training part. That is like, it's more of like, helping you to get rid of the MTI. Do you know what's MTI? It's mother tongue influence. So our mother tongue is Hindi, or even if it's any language from India. So we'll have an influence of that language in our English as well. So to overcome it, there will be an accent training in our advanced level course. So you can undergo it.
Dileep is saying very good evening, sir.
Very
and
good
ma'am.
evening,
Good evening. I'm a basic level student. जैसे कि आप लोगों हमेशा कहते हैं कि ये लेसन सिर्फ क्लास तक सीमित मत रखो, दूसरे से इंग्लिश में बात करो, लेकिन मेरा ऐसा कोई फ्रेंड, रूममेट, कोलीग नहीं है. Okay,
so this is Kripa's student. Yes. Okay, Kripa's student. Okay, good.
मैं ट्रांसलेशन कर लेता हूँ पर बोल नहीं पा रहा.
Okay. So Dileep, right?
Yes.
So Dileep, the thing is, yeah, it is very common. Like India, mein, like it's one of the biggest issue which we are facing, that we might not have friends with whom we can speak in English. That's a reality. So that is why we are providing you a platform where you will have a personal trainer with whom you can speak and practice. So suppose maybe this is your basic level. So basic level mein, they might be teaching you the basics first, and then they will take you to a level where you can practice the language every day minimum for 30 minutes. So you can speak them over a phone call, or you can text with them in English language, and there'll be all these activities which she already mentioned, the jam activity and all such activities. So I think that'll help you, right? Yes.
Tia, hello, good evening everyone. I am
Student of English Partner.
Thank you.
From Kolkata. Hi Tia, thanks a lot.
Abdullah, हमारी help करो sir.
Of course help करेंगे Abdullah. Whatever you just have to do is like there is a description given, and description में एक link होगा, तो वो link पे click करो. So you will be taken to a counselor. तो वो counselor ऐसे एक बंदा या बंदी होगा जिसको आप सब कुछ share कर सकते हैं. Like आपका जो भी problems हो English language को related, like क्या प्रॉब्लम आप फेस कर रहे हो इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज को लेके, जैसे कि मतलब मुझे लिखना आता है मगर आई एम नॉट एबल टू स्पीक, मेनी ऑफ देम वर लाइक सेइंग दैट, राइट? सो यू कैन जस्ट लेट देम नो, एंड व्हाट दे विल डू इज लाइक, एज आई ऑलरेडी मेंशन, दे विल डू अ लेवल टेस्ट. So there'll be a person who will be, making you undergo a level test, and उसके हिसाब से they'll be suggesting you a level. वो basic level हो सकता है या intermediate level or advanced level according to your level of English language proficiency, and then you can just start the course.
And don't be scared of the test. Yes, please don't be. बहुत
So, yeah, okay.
आसान होगा ये test. It is
बहुत
just
आसान
going
है.
to be कि आप कैसे कौन से कैटेगरी या कौन से लेवल की ट्रेनिंग आपको ज़रूरत होगी. It's just that.
And it's like you don't have to worry about it, you know, like mistakes होना चाहिए, that's I would say, because जब आप लोग mistakes like करोगे, that's when the counselor will get the right idea like which level you belong to, right? So make mistakes, don't get any help from internet or your friends, like do it by yourself, do the level test by yourself. It's going to be very easy, very simple. It's some 10 sentence
Yeah,
translation.
I think, yeah, it's very
That's it. So it'll be very easy, just do it by yourself, make mistakes, and you know they will be able to
Analyze.
judge you, like,
Yeah, they
analyze you in the
correct.
exact way, so that they'll suggest you the best course and you can start it. And talking about the course here, like many of them were asking like how long is it, what's the
Yes,
duration
duration.
of the course. Yes, so we should speak about it. The duration of the course, it is actually a 2-month course, but we are providing you 6-month validity.
Yes.
तो बहुत लोग पूछेंगे like 2-month कोर्स के लिए 6-month वैलिडिटी क्यों है. द रीज़न इज लाइक इट्स अभी हम लाइक यू नो बहुत प्रॉब्लम्स हो सकता है जिसकी वजह से हम यू नो थ्रू आउट से 2 month का कोर्स नहीं कर सकते. लाइक यू नो कुछ इमरजेंसी आए, इट्स नॉट लाइक it's not like वो हो गए. No, it's not like that. The thing is, we would suggest you to complete it in 2 months itself, the course. But suppose there is a reason for you, some family emergency or work emergency जिसकी वजह से आपको एक week का छुट्टी लेना पड़ रहा है. So what you have to do is like you will get that 1 week after that, after your
Right.
yes.
Yeah.
So the thing is, you जहाँ पे like wherever you stop you can just continue from there. So you're not missing anything, you're not losing anything here. So the thing is, we're giving you 6-month validity, and suppose you just complete your course in 2 months and then you have time to practice.
Yes.
4 months you can practice, and after that it's not like you're done in 6 months. What happens is like suppose आपका course complete हो गया, we'll be giving you a digital certificate and all, which is really valid. So course completion के बाद even after 6 months we are giving you lifetime assistance. तो लाइफ टाइम असिस्टेंस, दिस इज समथिंग वेरी यूनिक. लाइक सपोज आप एक इंस्टीट्यूट पे या लाइक ऑनलाइन प्लेटफॉर्म में कहीं से भी आप एक कोर्स कर रहे हो, वंस यू डन विद द कोर्स, वंस यू गेट द सर्टिफिकेट, इट्स डन, राइट? फिर कोई रिश्ता नहीं है, कोई लेना देना नहीं है. इट्स नॉट लाइक दैट हियर इन इंग्लिश पार्टनर. हियर व्हाट हैपेंस इज सपोज आपने एक कोर्स कंप्लीट किया, जैसे कि समवन टोल्ड लाइक कृपा का स्टूडेंट दिलीप, राइट?
Yes.
कृपा के स्टूडेंट है. सो सपोज यू डन विद द कोर्स, ओके, सपोज यू डन विद 6 months. Still, like अगर आप एक कंपनी में कुछ काम कर रहे हो and you have to do a presentation, so you have some you know confusion or you have a doubt, so the best thing is you will have the contact of your trainer. So anytime you can just ping them, or you can even ping English partner or your counselor, so that person will help you to
Yes.
solve it anytime, no, even after 5 years if you're getting any confusion. Or it's like lifetime assistance.
Yeah.
Means lifetime assistance. So जो भी doubt है, we will solve it for you. Okay, so you don't have to worry. It's not like 2 महीने का कोर्स है, हो गया. No, it's not like that. It's like we're giving you another 4-month validity, and after that throughout the lifetime जो भी doubts है या confusions है, your personal trainer will be there to solve it.
Rashid is saying he's a basic level student and he will be joining the intermediate class, inshallah.
Inshallah.
He can speak a little bit. He's learning well. We are so happy with your feedback, and we are so happy that you are learning. And I think that's about it. Like
yes,
your
you
interest.
people can come to know about it, because the thing is, see, he's saying like I'm almost done with my basic level and I'm going to join the intermediate level. So the thing is, like, you can understand how we look after our students out here. The thing is, we give them proper feedback, we solve all their confusions, we give proper practice, proper time, proper attention, so that see their interest to go to the next level. And
Yeah.
that proves it, right?
Yeah, that
Yes.
makes us so happy. Hi Falak.
Tanveer is saying thanks. It's my pleasure, man.
Hello Salim.
So we have another person from Nepal.
Wow.
Great.
Sir, I already joined your class 3 months ago. Thank you so much. Welcome to English Partner.
Rajesh is saying my grammar is
grammar's
weak. So that's what I told. It is okay. So what we do here is like once you come in, we will be polishing your basic grammar. So why we do that is because to start speaking you need the basic grammar, right? Basic grammar means the grammar you should know to construct a sentence. जैसे कि एक sentence बोलना है मुझे, even if I don't know the basic grammar, like I might have so many confusions, right? So it's like just basic grammar बताएंगे. It's more of like then we start practicing.
Correct.
So grammar के बारे में सोचना भी नहीं है. Don't get scared about it. Just come join and it'll be perfect. Then Rajesh.
हम सऊदी अरेबिया में हैं, प्लीज़ हेल्प करो सर जी.
Certainly, it's not
Yes.
it's not a problem. Like
Yeah.
that's what I told. Like anywhere in the world you are, you can join English Partner from anywhere, and being there itself, you can learn at any time. So that's what I told. Like anytime means anytime.
When I speak English, I don't care English
grammar.
grammar. When my communication is finished and I realize where I make my mistake, I'm also from Nepal. Hi Raju. I understand it's not like you shouldn't care about the English grammar.
No, the
Sirf
only thing is you
it's
make
just
mistake and
you make
make sure you
mistakes.
next time you don't
Yes.
make it. That's
I'm
it.
I'm very happy to see that you know कि आप कहाँ पर mistakes कर रहे हो. So that
Yes.
is a really good thing. Hi Amir, thank you so much, Manirul. Can I get self? Can I? How can I self practice? Please
self-practice?
give me a suggestion.
Okay, Afan, self practice. The best way is like just think about a topic on which you have to speak. Okay, suppose you're starting, you're a basic level student. अगर basic level student हो, like just शुरू कर रहे हो, like बात करना English में बात करने का just शुरू कर रहे हो. So what you have to do is like just go stand in front of a mirror and just say to yourself, like अपने आप को बोलो like what you are. Just start saying that. Okay. The thing is, it's not a one-time process. You're not going to be a fluent speaker if you do this once. No, do this every day. Every day, find like 10 minutes for this. That's enough. 10 minutes. The first 5 minutes, you just think, okay, what all I will say. Then do it 3 to 4 times. 1 minute. You just have to speak for 1 minute. Do this every day. Within a week, you can see the difference. I assure you. Okay.
Also, if there is anything like very simple day to day, whatever we talk about, we have a few videos that can help you. You can check out our Facebook page or YouTube. We have a few words that we talk in on a day to day basis that is broken down in Hindi and English. So you can also refer to those videos for your simple grammar day to day sentences or questions or answers, anything. Just
Yes, actually, here we are also coming up with a lot of videos,
Yes.
as you told. Like, those videos are all about the common mistakes which we make, or it's all simple, something with
Yeah.
which you can just learn. And the best part about videos, like, you have the video, so anytime you feel like, okay, I have a doubt
Yes.
about this, just go back, watch the video again. You're like, okay.
and
this is
most
it.
of it is like doubts from the students, so that's when we thought, okay, let's just
हाँ जी, मतलब
make it-
what we do is like जब
Yeah.
आप लोग हम कुछ questions पूछ रहे हैं, मुझे confusion है करके बोल रहा है, so what we do is like we try to make a video on it. So when we get a lot of common questions like that, so we come up with a video over it. That's what we do.
Yes. I've already joined
English
English
Partner.
Partner, but I have written the English, but I'm not able to speak fluently.
Don't worry, Imtiaz,
Yes.
because your activities will be starting soon, and then you will get the practice so that you will start to speak. Okay.
Aryan, I already joined, sir. I'm really glad to have you here. Then you're really doing a great job. Really, thank you so much.
Thanks for joining, Aryan. Like, you will be very fluent in English very soon.
I'm
I'm
from
from UAE. Very nice coaching team. Yes.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
We have a student from
Saudi Arabia. See, someone asked from Saudi Arabia.
Yeah.
Right? You have examples out here. We have a lot of students from UAE, Saudi Arabia, Nepal, and all.
Yes. Please answer. I'm so sorry. What did we? I have missed your question, Amir. So if you can please ask us again. So sorry. English is easy or difficult?
Okay, see, the thing is, English is easy or difficult. English is a very easy language.
Yes.
Just think like Hindi mein, how many alphabets do we have? And English mein we just have 26 alphabets, right? So it is very easy when compared to, I would say, when compared to any other language. And the thing is, like, see, suppose Hindi hai, like people in India knows to speak Hindi, or like very less people in the entire globe knows to speak Hindi. But when we think about English, it is most of like, even if it's not the first language, it's more of like the second language for most of the people, because we consider it to be a global language. So किसी से भी बात करना जो जब उस मतलब the other person he doesn't know Hindi, we can use English there, right? So speaking English, or English is a very simple language actually. It's not difficult. If you think it's difficult, then it's gonna be difficult. So think it's easy, then it'll be easy.
We are here to make it easy for you.
Yes, and you already
Yeah.
like you already know now like how is it and how English Partner is giving you the course, and also I hope you already understood it's gonna be very easy out here.
I'm Chandrasekhar.
It's more of like you will be learning with a friend, so it's gonna be easy, right? Just think you have a friend who's gonna help you. I won't say teach, I'll say help.
Yes.
So that's more perfect, right? So it's gonna be very easy, man.
I'm Chandrasekhar from Dubai. I learned more than grammar, but I can't speak fluent.
Yes.
Again.
The same thing
Yes.
we already discussed.
जैसे कि आप लोग कृपा मैम हमेशा कहते हैं कि
That's the same
okay,
same
it's the
message.
same,
Yeah,
okay.
Dilip.
Giving advice.
About fluent
Fluent
English. I want
English,
fluent
yes.
English. Yes. So speaking fluently is not something which you can attain in a day or in a
Yes.
week or in a month. It will take time. Even if you practice for a month constantly without any break, I think you can start speaking fluently, right? But the thing is, you need some good support, and that's why we are here providing you a personal trainer, a perfect partner, English partner.
Ubaid, thanks English Partner. Really, it's very good
Platform.
It's a very good platform to learn English. There is no time limit.
Yes.
So many trainers are available all the time. All trainers are very supportive. I think yes.
I think you got some very good results
Yeah.
in English partner. That's good to know. Very happy to know.
Oh my God, so super. English Partners here live. Yes. My question is pending. So sorry, Afan, we have missed your question. You can
yes,
just
we
ask.
posted.
Yes. Sir, also I am facing problem to open the clubhouse
Clubhouse in
problem.
Saudi Arabia.
Right, right.
Yeah. We will be solving it very soon. Don't worry about it. We are already working on it. The tech team is already working on it.
Now also I am reading and learning from English Partner. We
That's
are so
great
glad.
to know.
लॉन्ग ऐसे लिखने के बारे में बताएं.
Okay, so essay, like, we have been getting a lot of questions about essays, about
Yeah.
this thing is like people are trying to connect it with IELTS. The
Okay, yeah,
yes,
actually.
the IELTS course. So the thing is, लोग भी ये भी पूछते हैं कि like ये course करने के बाद हम IELTS exam दे सकते हो क्या? So the thing is, being very frank, no. The thing is, it's not like no. The no is because
Yeah.
this is not an IELTS course, but we provide an IELTS course. English Partner का एक अलग से IELTS course है. That this is a spoken English course, right? So we also provide an IELTS course. But the thing is, बहुत लोगों को ये पता नहीं कि IELTS course is not somewhere you will be taught about the basics of English language. IELTS course में अरे IELTS training में ये होता है कि we will be anyone like any IELTS course is just about training you to write or to practice with a time constraint. Suppose आपको essay लिखना है like कितने time में, जैसे कि 40 minutes में आपको एक essay लिखना है. So that's where we provide you a lot of topics and make you write essays corrected. So that's more of like IELTS training. So the thing is, बहुत स्टूडेंट्स हमारे पास ऐसे आते हैं कि जिसके पास बेसिक इंग्लिश नॉलेज भी नहीं है बट IELTS का ट्रेनिंग करना है. आई थिंक दैट्स वेस्ट ऑफ मनी. So the best part is this spoken English course is a perfect bridge course. ये course करो उसके बाद like आपको basic language knowledge तो होगा ही, like sentence कैसे construct करता है या speaking कैसे करता है. English like IELTS में speaking session भी होता है ना, so आपको ये तो पता चलता है like sentence construction के बारे में, more vocabulary, basic grammar mistakes, ये सब clear कर सकते हो आप. उसके बाद what you can just do is like you can go for the IELTS training and then give the IELTS exam, so the result will be just amazing. मैंने बहुत लोगों को ऐसे देखा because personally I'm an IELTS trainer, so मैंने बहुत लोगों को ऐसे देखा they come for IELTS training without basic English. So don't do that. Like go for a basic crash course. So this is a perfect bridge course for that. According to your level, maybe mostly intermediate level or basic level, complete it and then go for the IELTS training. So your result will be perfect.
Hi, I'm Vijay from Mumbai. I'm listening to your speech. Hi Vijay, how will we improve words power?
Words power. Okay, that is a good question because
Yes.
many of the people they face this problem of speaking just because they have very less knowledge or vocabulary. तो बस ये करना है कि ऐसे एक चीज़ रखो कि मन में एक दिन में I'll learn 10 words. सिर्फ 10 words. And just think that 30 days, right? So that makes 300 words in a month. So you can learn 300 words in a month. It's not like you just learn 10 words a day. It's like just write a sentence with that word.
Yes.
And try to use it once. Like, अपने आप को just बता दो, like एक sentence बता दो using that word. Suppose today I'm learning a word significant. The word significant, we always repeat the word important, important. But significant is a very good replacement for it.
Yes.
We have plenty of replacements for like vital, essential, crucial and all. But significant, suppose let's speak about that word. So learn that word, learn the meaning, it's important, the same meaning. And what you should do is like try to construct a sentence with that word. And go for the next word, try to construct a sentence with
Yes.
that word so that you won't forget it. It's not just writing a word, it's more of like, okay, using the word.
Yeah, it's understanding the meaning and when you should use this word in a sentence, or in what other way can you actually
And
use
Yasir
it.
is asking at the end, will you give us any certificate? Yes, that's what I told you. Will be given a valid digital certificate, Yasir.
Prashant, I'm an intermediate student now. I'm very happy.
We are also very happy that you are intermediate student.
डॉली अस्सलाम वालेकुम सर एंड मैम, मुझे इंग्लिश बोलना बहुत मुश्किल लगता है. कहाँ से स्टार्ट करूँ और कैसे?
Okay, Dolly, इसके बारे में हम डिस्कस कर रहे थे. The thing is like basics. You should just start to learn the basics. जैसे कि हमारा basic course है. So basics, if you're good with basic, like you know to construct a sentence, then all what you need is practice. So that is what we really lack here, right? Because we don't have a person with whom we can practice. So that is what we provide. We are giving you a personal trainer with whom you can learn, with whom you can speak and practice the language. So I think that is what you should do.
Good evening team, how are you? Hope you would be fine. I'm from Pakistan. I joined Clubhouse last month. I learned
Learn
many things.
from Clubhouse.
You are doing a great job.
Very
Thank-
happy to know this. Yes,
thank
the
you
Clubhouse
so,
thing is
so
working
much.
really good, and it's so good for a lot of the students.
Dharmendra from
Bangkok. Hi, Dharmendra.
Hi. Suggest me what I do more, listenings or reading.
Reading. It's not like you should just
Is
concentrate on one.
yes.
Do both, I would say. Like do read and do listen. And the best thing is like listening plays a very important role, because जैसे मैंने बोला, like हम लोग हिंदी कहाँ से बोलने शुरू किया? Like we started listening to our parents, right? We were not aware of reading. Even before knowing to write or read, we started speaking, right? So that is the same thing here. So listen and try to speak. Okay.
I'm a student of English language from one of the most popular institute, but so I can't speak fluent. How can I speak fluently? Please give me some more important tips.
Yes, Sultan, like that is all we were discussing till now. Like, being in an institute, the thing is like they train you in a bunch, in a group. So they won't be analyzing your current level or your grasping power. They won't be giving a specific syllabus according to your level. So that is what we do in English Partner. And all you have to do is practice to speak a language fluently. Let it be any language. So you have to practice. So here we are providing you a person with whom you can practice.
Pradeep, dear ma'am and sir, I'm also a student of English Partner. I can translate Hindi to English, but I can't speak fluently. I'm a basic level student.
Okay, Pradeep, there is a very big tip for you. Never translate Hindi to English when you're trying to speak. Okay, the thing is, see, if you're just translating a sentence, बहुत कम chances है कि वो सही होगा. Because English language का construction और हिंदी का construction में बहुत फर्क है. So what you have to do is think in English and speak in English. What we normally do is like हम लोग हिंदी में सोचते हैं, उसके बाद like English में बोलते हैं, like translate and we say that.
You
Don't
can
do that.
understand what the meaning is in Hindi, but when you're trying to construct, जैसे कि आपको कुछ बोलना है, try to think English में ही सीखिए और English में ही सोच कर you can talk. Like
So
in
here
English.
Irfan is saying, I appreciate English Partner team for building up my career. That's very good to know, because
really means a lot.
yeah, that's what we told, because we are giving special courses related to interviews, because बहुत लोग इसलिए English सीखना चाहते हो because they wanna crack their interviews for job. So thing is, here what we do is like, suppose you want to crack an interview, we have specialized team for that. You can have mock interview sessions. We'll be giving you very common interview questions and ग्रुप डिस्कशन होता है. बहुत लोगों को ये नहीं पता कि ग्रुप डिस्कशन कैसे करता है. लाइक वी विल बी प्रोवाइडिंग यू इंडिविजुअल ट्रेन एंड ऑल दोस थिंग्स, बट अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट the students who like to go for interview and such kind of segments, what we do is like we take 10 number of students and we create a group, and in that group regularly we'll be having group discussions. So it'll be like we'll be providing you a topic and you'll be discussing, you'll be given all the instructions कि मतलब ऐसे बोलना है कि ऐसे करना है, all these things, all the manners you should follow while you are in a group discussion, and there will be trainers who will be giving you proper feedback after every group discussion, so you can correct it and do again you can correct your mistakes and do it again. So once you're perfect, you can go for your interview so that you can crack it and get the job.
Yes.
Right?
Hi, good evening. I'm now on intermediate level. Before I started my basic level, so the problem is you have lost your phone and you don't have the basic grammar on your mobile.
It's very
It's
important.
very. Please do reach out to us, Abdul. I'm sure we can help you out
Of course,
with
yes.
this.
What you just have to do is like just inform this to the counselor, or you
Yes.
can just inform this to the trainer if you have the number. If you lost the number, what you have to do is just click on the link below, and you just go to the counselor and just say the details. So they'll be providing you everything.
When you're stuck in the middle of the conversation, what do you do?
What should I do? Okay.
Okay.
You know why we get stuck in between conversation is because we don't know the vocabulary, the exact word which we should use. Thing is, we know, okay, this is the thing which I should say. We know the thing in Hindi. मगर ये इंग्लिश में जब हम बोल रहे हैं, like we are like, okay, which exact word should I use? This is the problem. So the best thing is improve your vocabulary. Like, you know, learn a lot of new words, and then you won't get stuck.
Yeah. I think even like understanding the words, जब आप सीख रहे हो, don't just learn कि oh okay this means that. No, don't stop with there. I suggest that try using that same word in more sentences. I think practice as Binoy said. I mean, practice does make a man perfect. So I think that.
See, Christian is giving us a feedback.
Yes.
Like all the trainers are so friendly and always motivate us. Yeah, यही तो बोला हम like
Yes.
because see we are providing you a friend, a दोस्त जिसके साथ आप English में बात करके, English में chat करके like English सीख सकते हो.
Pawan, I am your student from Saudi Arabia.
Hi Pawan, hope you're doing good there.
मैं जब अकेली में रहता हूँ तो मैं खूब बातें करता हूँ इंग्लिश में, लेकिन जब मेरे साथ कोई और होता है तो रिजल्ट जीरो. Already joined. It's a very nice
platform.
Okay, you're finding it difficult to speak in English with others.
Yeah, but now I think the activities will be starting for you and you'll be able to overcome
I'm
it.
sure.
Yes.
We are waiting. Good evening, Irfan. I live in Kuwait. Thank you. My English is very weak. How can I improve my English? Because I am a student.
Okay, even if you're a student, you
Yeah.
can join this course of English Partner because, as we told, there is no
time
specific
yes.
time for this. Because even after your class, you can do your segment for the day. So it'll be easy for you. You can do it.
Yeah, again, Manju is again asking about the timing. So there is no कोई भी timing नहीं है. जब भी आप free हो, you can just tune in and.
Manju, when you feel like learning,
Yeah, just-
your personal trainer will be ready for you. So any time, like let it be like midnight or early morning, our trainer will be ready for you.
Explain class details in brief.
Okay, class details. Yeah, okay. So basically, as I told you, we have 3 different levels of courses: basic level, intermediate level, and advanced level. And in basic level, what we do is like it's just for the people who are starting to, use English language. So for them, they'll be given the basics of grammar with which they can start to construct English sentences, and then they will be given few activities with which they can. They can practice language.
Yes.
And more of it'll be more of like how to construct sentences properly in different tenses. So that is what we do in basic. And coming to intermediate, it's more of like helping you to practice. We have a speaking room and a grammar room in the intermediate level. So the grammar room is where we solve all your doubts about grammar, and there'll be specific classes related to the grammar topics. And whatever you learn in grammar, it will be, you will be using it in the speaking room. You will be speaking, you will be constructing sentences and speaking in the speaking room. So that's how we have this grammar room and speaking room in the intermediate level. Coming to advanced level, it's all about speaking. It's all about, practicing. It's all about speaking. Yeah, that's it. You all have to speak. What you have to do is just speak and speak. You will be given proper assistance with that. It's like a lot of good activities with which you can polish the language. That's it.
Shalini is asking when is the next live. So we're planning to keep live sessions every week.
Off. Every week, and
actually,
I think very
mostly
often
every
because
week.
we're getting very good response from people,
Yes.
and I think they are also getting a lot of answers with their questions, right?
After the basic level, when will you have to join that course next?
Okay, I would say very soon. Actually, it is up to you. Like, suppose
Yeah.
you think you're done with the course, and you think you need 1 or 2 months to practice. Do that and then join the intermediate course. Or else, if you think, okay, I'm good with the basics now I'll go to the intermediate course, you can do that as well. You can just discuss with your tutor, your personal trainer. So that person will be knowing you much better, right? So that person will be able to give you some perfect advice with this.
Hari is from Japan and he's very happy with the course. He's from Japan, right? Yes.
Okay, that's great.
Good evening, Hari. We're so glad.
I'm from Myanmar. That's
Wow.
great to know.
I want to learn English. Mr. Das.
So you can learn
Yes.
English with English Partner in a very easy way.
When to join the next round? Yeah, okay,
Yeah,
okay. I think it's a
already,
repeat.
yes, we already did.
I want to learn English fast, but you tell me an easy method.
Okay, so the easy, see, it's not like you have to learn it fast. You should be ready to give it time. It's not like, as I already told, it's not like a process which you can accomplish in a week. It will take time. It's like any other language, but what matters is like how much effort are you ready to put, and about the support which you're gonna get. So in English Partner, support के बारे में तो कोई question ही नहीं है, because you'll be having trainers who are like really qualified, and they'll be really friendly, as people already mentioned, and they'll be motivating you as well. It's not just teaching you, giving you work. No, they'll be motivating you to do it. So it's like from our end, the effort would be like 101%, but you should also be ready to put your 101%, and so that you will be able to complete the thing very quick, right?
Yes.
And you will be able to speak fluently.
Good evening, sir and ma'am. I am your student Saddam Hussein, EPU English Partner Basic Level. I'm very
Yeah,
happy that you guys came live.
Thank
you
you.
so much. Thank you for joining. Rashid, to be honest, I was very weak in English, but I appreciate English Partner because I understood grammar and I can speak English as well. Thank you, English Partner and all trainers.
Thanks a lot.
Thank you so much.
And I think we'll now discuss about the
Yes.
cost of it, the price of it, right? So, as I already told, when you compare it with the institutes or any platforms, this is very less, because we start a course at just 3,500 rupees, and it is not a per month thing. It is for the entire course. Like we said, 6 month and lifetime assistance. So the entire amount for the 6 month and the lifetime assistance is just 3,500. So that is how the pricing is, and I know it's very less. So it is something really great. It's, and almost everywhere, if you go to an institute or any platform, they'll be charging you per month.
Yes.
So here it is like for the entire duration of course. So it is just 3,500 for information, and I think we'll be putting this in description for your knowledge.
How many classes? Yeah, like we already said, it's going to be a lifetime assistance. It's going to be a 2-month course and a 4 months practice session. So it's going to be a total 6 months course. But apart from that, it's going to be a lifetime assistance. I think, is there anything? I think we're pretty much covered.
So if
Yes.
there's anything more, you can just ask us the
Yes.
question and we'll be answering it. And one more thing, you can just check the description or message bhi hai, so you can just check and there'll be a link, a WhatsApp link. You can just click the link. जब आप वो link पे click करोगे, you'll be taken to a WhatsApp account. So that's the English Partner Counselor for you. वहाँ पे you just have to say hi, and you can ask all your जो भी doubts है, confusions है, you can just ask it over there, and that person will be helping you with everything about the course and how to join and all those things. Okay, so I think we are more like
Yes.
done for the day, and thanks a lot for joining us, right?
Yes, thank you so much. Please do stay tuned. We will be coming live very, very soon to clear more doubts. You can, as he said, as Binoy said, you can check the WhatsApp link. If there are further doubts, you can message us anywhere on Instagram, on Facebook, on WhatsApp, and we will get back to you. And yes.
And yeah, make sure you go to our Instagram page, our
Yeah.
Facebook page, our YouTube channel, everything, because we're coming up with a lot of interesting videos जिसके साथ like आप लोग बहुत आसान से English सीख सकते हो. Even that will help you a lot,
Yes,
right?
and
Yes.
yeah, one thing you'll find a lot of pages on Instagram because we have different languages. We teach English in different languages. It can be Hindi, Kannada, Tamil, Telugu. We have many languages, so you'll see many pages.
Actually, as of now, we have 6 different languages. We are
Yes.
teaching English to Malayalam speaking
Yes.
people, Tamil speaking people, Telugu speaking people, Kannada speaking people, Hindi speaking people, and
Bengali,
Arabic
Bengali
speaking
too.
people.
Yeah,
Bengali too.
Urdu,
Yeah.
yes.
So what you have to do is like specifically you can go for the Hindi page, like if you want assistance in
Yes.
that specific segment, that specific language. Okay, so yeah, be there and all, like watch the videos, learn English. I want to clear IELTS. Please suggest me. Yes, this is what I told. If you are good with basics, what you can do is just click the link below. go to the description, there'll be a link even, and ask them for the IELTS course. So there's a specific IELTS training program by English Partner, which is really interesting. It's very different and unique from other training aspects, so you can go for that. Or if you think you're not even good with the basics, you can just join the spoken English course. You can build your basics and then go for the IELTS course, right? Yes.
You guys are doing a wonderful job. This course is helping us a lot. Thank you. Thank you
Thanks
so,
a lot
so
for
much.
those.
I think
I think so. We'll
yeah,
wind it up for
yes.
now, and we'll be coming up with another live session very soon. Thanks a lot for coming up, and yeah, be with us. The English Partner is gonna be with you. Learn English, and this is a very easy process. So join us. Let's learn and grow together, right?
Yes,
So bye bye.
absolutely.
See you back later.
Bye.
Very soon. Very soon.
Yes.
Yeah.
Stay safe, everybody.